Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see someone's repost on TikTok. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here. I'm on my iPhone. You can do the same steps on Android as well. Let's tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. You'll see here there are a number of different options. These are your normal posts or stories that you'd added on TikTok. You can swipe over to anything private and you can see the little arrows going around in a circle that indicates your specific reposts. So if you're curious what other accounts have reposted, let's go back home and say go to this profile. You'll see again that same indication, that icon with the two arrows. If I tap on it, it will show me all of the videos this account has reposted. Now keep in mind every account doesn't have this, so let's swipe down a couple tap on this one. That one has it. Let's go to another. This one, for instance, does not have the repost option, so depending on the privacy settings of a specific account, you might be able to see it or you might not be able to see it exactly which videos that they reposted. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.